Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing texture tiling in Unreal Engine 5, a comprehensive guide. Texture tiling, the repetition of a texture across a surface, can be a common issue in 3D environments. While tiling can be desirable in some cases, like creating a brick wall, it often results in an unnatural and unrealistic look, especially on large surfaces. This tutorial provides a detailed guide on how to mitigate texture tiling in Unreal Engine 5, focusing on techniques applicable to both materials and code-driven solutions. Understanding the problem *. Texture tiling becomes noticeable when the repeating pattern of the texture becomes too apparent. This happens when low-resolution textures using a texture with low resolution leads to more frequent repetitions, making the tiling more obvious. Simple patterns textures with highly regular and easily identifiable patterns are prone to tiling issues. Large surfaces the larger the surface a texture is applied to, the more visible the tiling becomes. UV mapping uniform UV mapping across a large surface without variation can exacerbate the issue. Techniques to mitigate texture tiling.